Hi guys, welcome back to Sophia's nursery. I'm Sophia. Today we're going to be unboxing the mini Barbie Land Cutie reveal. And these are my two sisters, Olivia and Addy.
It's mine.
So let's get started. Who wants to open theirs first?
Me.
Okay, Addy, do you need some help?
Help!
Wait, we're going to do one at a time. You need help? Okay, let's see. Tear this up. Oh, there we go. That's so cute. Alright, you're gonna open it. Oh, pull it out. Wait, we're gonna do one at a time.
Oh!
Aw, she got a little unicorn. Aw.
Let's open it.
So, in here, oh no, the hat fell off. There's a little Barbie doll, and her hat actually comes off.
Yeah, this one is.
And then it comes with a tiny little pet. That is so cute, Addy.
I'm gonna open shoe.
You want to open too? Now it's Olivia's turn.
Yeah.
You need some help?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. Oh. Let's pop it out. Okay, you can open it. Just pick it up. You need help? No, you're gonna do it. Help?
It's the Barbie.
Oh, that's so cute. Aw, she got a little purple bear. How cute. Look, she got a bear. Aww, and the doll is, oh, she's so cute. Look. So we have this doll and a really cute little bear. And the little box is reusable.
Oh, that's mine.
Yeah.
So,
Okay, now it's my turn. I can't wait to see which one I got. Oh no! Okay.
So I want to see yours. I want to put it in my hand and then so I can see it.
You want to see mine?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm opening it.
Let me see that.
Let's open it
I
up.
want to see it.
I got a panda! There we go. Aww, panda.
So I want to see it in my hand.
Look, just wait.
I want to see these cuties are.
And the reveal.
Hi, it's a race.
She's so cute.
Hi,
We get this doll, a little teddy bear. Ah, he fell. The box. Ah, there we go. These are the ones we got. They're so cute. Do you guys like the dolls you got?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you?
Yeah,
You-
I got the little green one.
Yeah, the green one.
Yeah, my favorite color is pink.
Pink.
Yeah, and then green makes pink.
Yeah,
It makes pink.
mixed pink. Here you go. You want to play with it? You want to play with your unicorn?
With my Barbie doll. First one. And then Hi,
Hi, I'm a panda.
Hi, Panda. I'm a Barbie.
A Barbie. Look, you want to be a bear? Hello. Hello.
I
Sure. We can mix them up.
I will put on a baby.
Aw, you're so cute.
I don't like this. That's not what makes this shirt.
I'm a little panda.
I'm a
Mwah.
little unicorn dad.
Oh, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, like and subscribe for more like this. Bye.
Bye.